Let Garmin show you how to use the Amazon Alexa features on your Garmin DriveSmart 66, 76, or 86 with an Android device. Your Garmin DriveSmart uses natural language processing to understand your spoken requests. You can ask questions or speak commands in plain language. In addition to the navigation features offered by Garmin voice-activated navigation, your Garmin DriveSmart provides access to many Amazon Alexa features such as playing music, checking the weather, or listening to the news. For navigation, say OK Garmin. For everything else, just ask Alexa. To set up Amazon Alexa features on your Garmin DriveSmart, you will need your Android phone or tablet and your Garmin DriveSmart. You must set up the app using your vehicle's Bluetooth audio or auxiliary port. This will allow Amazon Alexa responses to play through your vehicle's speakers. Avoid being on an active phone call or playing media on your phone during the setup. For best performance, keep your Garmin DriveSmart software and Garmin Drive App up to date. You can update your Garmin DriveSmart using a home high-speed Wi-Fi connection. Warning: when using this feature, you should focus on driving and only use this feature when it is safe to do so. The Garmin Drive app must be open and running on your compatible smartphone to use Alexa features and access live services. To use the Amazon Alexa features, you must sign in to your Amazon account from the Garmin Drive app. You can also use the Amazon Alexa app to customize features, add streaming music accounts, and explore thousands of skills in the Alexa Skills store. Adding skills requires you to link your Amazon Alexa app to your Amazon account. Some Amazon Alexa skills may not be compatible with the Garmin DriveSmart device. Skill compatibility is determined by the skill developer and Amazon. Begin on the main menu of your Garmin DriveSmart. Select Settings, which is the gear icon on the bottom right of your screen. Then, select Complete Setup. This will take you to the Garmin DriveSmart setup page. You will have seen this screen when you first turned on your Garmin DriveSmart. Selecting Connect Now will begin the three-step process of setting up the Garmin Drive app with your Android smartphone or tablet. First, you will need to download the Garmin Drive app to your Android device. Locate and select the Garmin Drive app in the Play Store. Select Install to begin the download. Then, open the Garmin Drive app once the download is complete. Review and agree to the privacy policy and license agreement before selecting Next. Then, read the warning and select Agree to continue. Select Navigation Device. If your phone's Bluetooth is off, you will be prompted to turn it on. Select Continue. Here, you will be asked to allow the Garmin Drive app to access your device's location. You must select Allow only while using app to complete this setup. Location is required to provide weather and traffic information. The Garmin Drive app will begin searching for your Garmin DriveSmart. Your Android device and Garmin DriveSmart will display a Bluetooth pairing request. Verify the passkeys match before selecting OK on your Android device. Then, select Yes on your Garmin DriveSmart. Read and respond to the device data request. Select Allow if you want your Garmin DriveSmart to access your contacts and call history. Read the privacy policy and select Continue. You will now need to create or sign into an existing account using your Garmin account information. For this video, we will create a new account. This is where you will enter your personal information. Then select Next. Your Garmin DriveSmart is now paired with the Garmin Drive app on your Android device. Select Continue. Now, you can set up your device audio. Your Garmin DriveSmart can play audio on your car's stereo system using Bluetooth or an aux cable. Select Continue. You will be asked if you currently use Bluetooth to connect your smartphone to your vehicle. Select Yes or No. Next, you will be asked if you use your phone to play music in your vehicle. Select Yes or No. Then, select Continue. Connect your phone to your vehicle via Bluetooth and select OK. Then, select Continue. Next, select Play Test Sound. select Continue when the audio setup completes. Next, you will sign into your Amazon account. Select Sign in with Amazon. Then, enter your Amazon login information and select Sign in. Then, select Next. Select Enable Contact Sync if you want to use your voice to call contacts from your phone's address book. Select Allow to give the Garmin Drive app access to your contacts. Select Set Calling Permissions if you want your Garmin DriveSmart to make phone calls. Select Allow to enable the Garmin Drive app to manage phone calls. Select Call Log Permission if you want your Garmin DriveSmart to display incoming caller ID information. Select Allow to enable the Garmin Drive app to access your phone call logs. Next, select Display over other apps. Then, select Drive before selecting the back arrow. Select Set Notification Permissions if you want your Garmin DriveSmart to display music information and controls, as well as smart notifications from your Android device. Then, select OK. Next, select Drive. Any item selected will allow notifications to be displayed on your Garmin DriveSmart. Select Allow to confirm notification permissions before selecting the back arrow. The Amazon Alexa features are now ready to use on your Garmin DriveSmart. Let's go through some phrases you can use with your Garmin DriveSmart's built-in Alexa features, all while you keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Alexa, how's the weather?
The current weather is 54 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today's forecast has lots of clouds, with a high of 56 degrees and a low of 40 degrees.
Alexa, add oranges to my shopping list.
I added oranges to your shopping list.
Alexa, when was Garmin founded?
Garmin was founded on January 1, 1989 by Gary Burrell and Min Kao. It is 32 years old.
You can enable additional skills by speaking to your Garmin DriveSmart device or by using the Amazon Alexa app. Alexa, enable the Pandora skill.
For Pandora, just say, "Play Pandora."
These are just some examples, but we encourage experimenting with different phrases. And that's it. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.